Comrade, share this. Comrade, Pole. Comrade, focus. I stand here to speak on behalf of the thousands and the millions of the Teeso people who decided to join the struggle for a new Uganda. I stand here to defend and speak on behalf of those who have not gotten compromised by the speaker, a woman all of us seem to think has swallowed the entire support of NUP in Teeso sub-region. Colleagues and comrades, you must be informed that Teeso has more than 4 million people. The active voting population is more than 2.5 million. The ignorance of an individual must not drive you to blame the entire sub-region. I, for one, and the many that have believed and followed me for the past 6 years, have not shaken our position and our demand for a new Uganda. We stand equally with you across this country with the same dream, with the same hope, with the same plan. We share the plight that you go through with everybody else in this country. Because an individual thought that she and a few people have been able to fool us, an entire organization of NUP must not make you think that everybody was taken away. Remember, she played herself because at first she said she was kidnapped. And the administration of NUP made it sure that the public gets to know as she spoke. After 12 hours, she came out saying she wasn't kidnapped. It was a decision by our family. It is not us, the NUP, who were fooled. She did fool her own future. She did disorganize her own future. She sold off her integrity. She did exchange her conscience with a mere 80 million shillings. With the economy that we are in today, what can 80 million do? So, comrade, if the reason that brought you to NUP is money, is weak, then even your living is going to be weaker. Why should you be so disappointed like that person went away with your understanding for Uganda? If you are one of those who the incident in Bukedea has made feel like you're doing nothing for this country, you are in a wrong struggle. This must even make us work more hard. Let us be more determined to end this kind of nonsense. So I call upon you to stay focused.